Welcome to this demo of integrating Polaris Labs with UpKeep. My name is Max. I'm a project coordinator here at UpKeep. In this demo, I'll walk through how you can use Zapier to trigger a work order request in UpKeep when your fluid sample report from Polaris Labs software Horizon registers a severe warning. First, we have to set a time trigger. Here, I want to request and monitor my sample results every day. To request sample data from Horizon, I have to define a time interval. This allows me to retrieve sample results that were reported during that time interval. Here, I want my time interval to be within the past 24 hours. I use Formatter to define start time based on my current time. I can use expressions to define my time interval. I then use Formatter to define end time based on my current time. Once I've defined my triggers and time interval to request sample data, I can finally get sample data. Here, I use webhooks to get sample data. I define the URL to retrieve the data from, and I input the start date, end date, and language parameters. I also input the authorization key with my user token provided by Polaris. Once I run this, my Zapier should receive a CSV file. Now I use Formatter to read the CSV file. I input the CSV file from the previous action. And now I've processed and read the CSV file. I now want to create a work order request only when severe is reported. To do this, I use filter. To set this up, note that the severe notification pops up on item 45 of my CSV file. Now I create a work order request. UpKeep is already integrated with Zapier, so I don't have to use webhooks. I can choose the UpKeep app, and I select Create Request. I then log into my UpKeep account. I set a title, and I can input a description. And now I've created my work order request in UpKeep. And that concludes this demo. For more information on integrations, please contact us through our website. Thank you.